Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to play Pokemon Go with fake GPS and 360-degree joystick. Um, this requires a non-rooted device and rooted device too. This will work for only for Android device. First of all, you go to Play Store and download Pokemon Go, the original. I have been installed the Pokemon Go, so I will not install it. And now this is the main app for to play with fake GPS. And go to Google Play Store and type fake GPS Go on joystick stick 360 blah blah something. You have to put 360-degree. So now that will be first thing over there. You click it and install. After installing it, it will show some type of process for uh, setting up for mock location. Give it up, and then after that process you open it, and it will show your current location, and I will choose my current location only and put false location, start service 360 joystick 360-degree, and give confirm. So it will show some ad. So now it shows some ad, and close it. And now I got this joystick. You can move it too. It will have three type: one walk mode, one bicycle mode, and one car mode. I will have bicycle mode because it will be best. And after activating that, but don't close the fake GPS, or else if you close it, the joystick will be gone. So now I can go inside and go to the fake GPS and selecting my current location, and go like that. And after that process, I have got my joystick and go to Pokemon Go. Okay, I have opened it. It will take some time. Wait. It will take some time to load. Finally, I got my Pokemon Go open. Um, my network is so slow, so it will take time. Damn it. And I have opened my Pokemon Go. Can you see? I have got my joystick, and now you can see without walking, I'm playing my Pokemon Go. with a fake GPS. But there's a problem with this fake GPS. You can play in near your surroundings only. If you're from India or New York, if I'm from now I am from India. If I put the location to New York, means it will not work for me. And now, if you are from New York, if you put the location in India, means it will not work. It will work only in your current location. Sometimes it will take time to walk because it's a fake GPS. No, it will take time to read. um Wait guys, it will take some time to load. And finally, by this you can play Pokemon Go with the fake GPS. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will come with more videos like this. Okay, thanks guys.